Introducing VerticaPyLab. Have you ever wanted to experience the power and speed of Vertica with the agility of VerticaPy? Then VerticaPyLab is what you need. VerticaPyLab is a set of Docker-based containers that give you the full experience of Vertica. One container runs Vertica, while the other runs JupyterLab-based interface where you do all your work. The best part is the ease of installation. You do not need to fill out requests or set up the connections or worry about installing dependencies. All you need to do are two easy steps. Clone the GitHub repository by going to our repo and copying the link. Run make-all to set up the environment. All the dependencies and connections are set up automatically. When it is up and running, you see a JupyterLab-based interface. VerticaPyLab also has lessons to get you started with VerticaPy if you are unfamiliar or if you just wanted to brush up some basics. They include a breadth of topics such as data ingestion to linear regression, etc. Apart from the other tools, we have Grafana, which allows the users to monitor the data usage and other statistics from the single node cluster using a graphical dashboard. There are also some other basic Vertica tools like vSQL and admin tools, and more will be coming. We hope that you enjoy our product. We are always open for feedback.